Welcome and thank you so much for stopping in and watching this video and being a part of Expanding Pathways and what I have to offer. I'd like to take you through a breathing exercise. This breathing exercise is going to show you in your body how it feels to shift to rest and digest right out of the chute. In the next videos, I will take you through some educational pieces, some inspiration, some stories. But for right now, I really want you to feel this in your body. And the reason is because I know if you feel it, you'll go, this might be worth coming back. So getting comfortable, shifting right into your breath. If you can close your eyes right now, please do so. And just feel your breath as it breathes itself. Breathing in and breathing out. Feel your body, feel your belly, feel your ribs expand on the inhale. And then exhaling, feel them soften. Breathing in and breathing out. Feeling what that feels like in your body. Now on the next inhale, I want you to breathe in to a slow count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathing in once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here's the thing. When people ask me, Elizabeth, I've tried to start meditating before and I just can't quite do it. And they're like, why is that? I want to do it, but really I don't feel successful at it. My mind is wandering. I'm distracted. I just feel like I can't even sit and be still. Well, this is how you're going to do it. You're going to start with breath. You're going to start by shifting your nervous system. That has got to be the first thing. And when we do that, we have the capacity for stillness. If we don't shift our nervous system, it's not going to work very well. So here's the thing. Every morning, I want you to sit down for 5 minutes and breathe. Whether that's just counting in and out, your inhalation and exhalation for 15 times, or maybe that's following the meditation that I just went through with you, because technically speaking, that was a meditation. Meditation shows up in so many different forms. What I like to say is anchor in the breath, focus on the breath. That will put you in your present moment, and that is meditation. Stillness and a focused awareness in the present moment. Okay? So it's simpler and easier than what it's made out to be. And if you don't put that pressure on yourself to have it be perfect or have it be something you think it should be, then things will probably work out a little bit better. So try that every day, 5 minutes of a breathing strategy. And meet me back here for the next video. I'll see you soon.